So today I'll be showing you guys how to create VPCs, subnets, route tables, and how to route the traffic from public and private. Okay. So first I'll create a VPC. First we have to create a VPC. I'll just create like my VPC. Okay. Then 10.0.0.0/24. It's your wish. You can just take any range. So create the subnet. Sorry, create a VPC. So now you don't know what range you have to take for subnet. Like for subnet, so you guys can use Visual Studio Editor. Sorry, Visual Subnet Editor. So get here. I'll take 10.0.0.0/24 I took, right? Slash 24. So I'll just update and I'll just divide and I'll use this. So come to subnet, create subnet, my VPC, and subnet. One subnet I'll create as public, and you can just choose any zone. Again, I can add one more subnet, add new subnet. I'll take as private. So I'll take zone 1A and you can choose from here itself. So now create the subnet. So one public subnet and one private subnet is done. So now to route the traffic through public, we have to create an internet gateway, and to private, NAT gateway. So I'll go to internet gateway and create internet gateway. My VPC internet gateway. Coming down, I'll create the internet gateway. Okay. Again, I'll create, by that time I'll just create two instance. I'll go to instance, launch instance. So one is public and come down. Instance type already is there. So key is, I don't know which key I'm having. So I'll go with the existing key or you can create a new key pair. Again, I'll edit. So I'll choose my VPC. Again, one is public. If it is public, I will enable the traffic like public IP. So coming to security group, I will give it's public. I'll give all traffic, and I'll give anywhere. Come down. I'll create launch the instance. So don't about like worry about EC2 service. Later we'll be discussing about EC2 service. As if now, just learn how to launch an instance. So I'll launch one more instance, private, private, and create new key pair, private server. I'll create. Again, come to edit. So this is my VPC. It's a private, disable. Here you can just give SSH and ICMP. Come down and launch the instance. So I have launched two instances. One is public and we can give all traffic also. I just then I'll go to VPC. So I have created the internet gateway, right? So like this is the internet gateway. No, this is the internet gateway which I created. So I have to attach to a VPC. So my VPC. So I'm going to attach. Okay. Coming to route tables. So now I have only one route table. I want for public and private two route tables. So this is public and one more route table I'll create as private. Choose VPC and create. Coming to route tables. So public routes, edit routes. So I'm going to give all traffic and target is what? For public internet gateway. Right. Internet gateway. Save changes. Huh? In a routing table. That's for private. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ okay so now I'll come back so for public routes I have given internet gateway and I'll go to subnet association and edit it is a public right so save association done and now for private I'm accessing it through NAT gateway so NAT create NAT gateway so NAT subnet is private and connectivity type it will be public and now I'm going to allocate elastic IPs then create again come to route tables without route table it is not going to route the traffic okay you have to go do edit in your route tables because it will not route the traffic because it doesn't know how to go the way if you are putting in a route table what is its routes and its subnet association it will get to know okay what is my way to reach that my destination so go to private go to routes edit routes so target is NAT gateway save changes then come to subnet association edit it is a private save changes okay done right so now here we'll go to instance so first I have to connect to public instance once public instance is launched private will get into like private will connect to NAT to internet gateway is nothing but public then it is going to connect to the internet you understood that scenario right so go to instance so now I'll go to public connect to internet so it is basically it is connect to public then it is going to connect to internet public VPC like public subnet so this is AWS account so then we have VPC so we have public subnet and private subnet right so this public subnet is connecting how to internet gateway then it is connecting to the internet but this private is connecting to the NAT then to public. You can see, connectivity type public there when I was creating. So it is connecting basically to public, then filter. Okay, now I'll connect to public. Public. So connect. Connect. So I connected to public now. So now I want to connect to private. Okay, I have to use small letters. So I connected. So I'll go to instance. And this is a private IP. See private IP. Copy private. So now I will just connect like SSH hyphen I EC2 hyphen user at my private IP. So it is not connecting. It is showing like warning identity. It is not accessible. So we have to first we have to create a file vim, like we are going to create a key there. So it will be like you can create anything abc.pem. I'm just creating abc.pem. You can create key.pem, anything. So come down. So what is my key? Where are the key over there? This was my key, right? So control all, control C. So you come here. If you have to get into insert mode, then paste this. Paste again. You have to press escape, shift, double colon, WQ. It will get saved. See now it got saved. Okay. See now I'll list. See I have abc.pem, which the file I had created. I will list. I will long list it. So total we have 4. Okay. Now I'll say change its permission. Change mode to 700 abc.pem. Okay. Now I will connect SSH hyphen I EC2 hyphen user at what is the private IP. Okay. Yeah, no, SSH. I didn't give the key name, right? So you can see from public, I routed the traffic from public through internet gateway, private through NAT gateway, and it got connected also. Okay.